I'm super excited, and some of you now I can see here have already started earning points. This is a system that I just installed today, which gives you rewards when you take action on the website. So this could be logging in, completing a lesson, completing a course, and so on. So I'm super excited that a lot of you now have already started using this feature. And also I'd like to really thank all you guys that have signed up for the Web Design Masterclass. I'm super excited because I'm going to be sharing a lot of information that I've learned over the years when it comes to creating websites that generate sales or leads. So here in the Facebook group, I can see already some of you have joined here already. That's really cool. So this is where I'll be doing my live. So we're going to be doing a weekly Facebook Live. This is going to be a Q&A. Now, I know we all are from different time zones, so it's going to be a bit difficult for us to be on the live stream together. So what I've done is I have created this form where you can ask your questions ahead of time, so I can answer them on the live show, so you can just watch the replay. So all the replays will be available for all you members. Now, the other thing I want to talk about as well is I'm going to be sending all the notices and all the updates via email. So if you're on the mailing list, you will be getting all these emails of notification, updates, and so on, and also in the Facebook group. So what we'll be doing is after we complete a specific segment, like for example, right now, we've done the branding module. So we wait for a week and then we answer the questions on the branding. And then after that, we go into the next module, which is creating your websites and putting all the tech together. And then we wait again for another week. And once we have all our questions ready, I'll do a live Q&A so I can answer all your questions, and we're just going to go through that way. So we're going to start off quite easy, and then we're going to get more and more advanced, putting all these systems together which help us create websites that generate sales and leads. Like I said, I'm super excited. If you have any questions at all, head over to funnelstoincome.com. On the bottom right, there's a chat bubble. Ask me all your questions. I mean, be it technical, whatever it is, and I'll be sure to respond to you as soon as I can. So please be patient because sometimes you can be in different time zones, but I will get to your questions. Now, for those of you who are lifetime subscribers or lifetime members, you get all these courses absolutely free. All right, guys, once again, thank you very much for signing up for the Web Design Masterclass. See you soon. Take care.